and you know, he's a positive person, so God bless him for that. Sherri is going to update us on Uncle Bob and Greg, and Captain Gabriel Garcia. All right.
Okay, so many of you know that Gabriel Garcia, he had his sentencing today as well. And he has been waiting for months and months to get shoulder surgery. Well, the government refused to push his sentencing back so that he could get his shoulder surgery. So as he got sentenced today, he did get sentenced to 12 months. And the judge proceeded to tell him that he wouldn't have to surrender till early January, and that would give him time to have his surgery and also have his rehabilitation. Well, that just doesn't work, because his surgery takes at least 8 weeks of rehabilitation. So I don't know how he's going to possibly have the surgery, go through his rehabilitation, and still surrender on January 10th. So keep Gabriel in your prayers as well.
Amen.
As far as Gregory and Uncle Bob, they had basically what is called a pre-hearing this morning or this afternoon, where they put in a petition to go pro se.
Oh, I know what that's called, so let me just
Ferrera.
A Ferretta. Yeah.
A Ferretta hearing. So they put in to go pro se. And the main reason that they wanted to go pro se, as their hired lawyer is sitting there, this lawyer put in a pre-sentencing application with 12 different objections. 12 pages. Greg was never able to review that document. Neither was Uncle Bob. The judge was absolutely flabbergasted that this lawyer would take it upon himself to file such a large paperwork
Motion.
and they never even saw it. So basically the lawyer got fired on the spot. Uncle Bob and Greg petitioned to go pro se with backup counsel, which the judge did grant. He did encourage them. Now, you know, gentlemen, you've never been involved in the law before. You have no legal experience. And I'm just here to tell you that you would do much better. You would do much better if you let a lawyer represent you. They said, no, thank you, sir. We got this. So they did get that granted, which in turn did push their sentencing back. So they were not sentenced today. Now, it's only been briefly mentioned that, you know, Gregory is Bob Turner's nephew. And Gregory has another brother that was also arrested for January 6th. He was charged with 4 misdemeanors. He was only found guilty on 2 of those misdemeanors. Mathew is his name, Mathew Purdy. He was in for sentencing today as well. Now the government shows a video of Mathew and Gregory and Uncle Bob on January 6th. And Mathew's got his camera in his hand the whole time, filming, not saying a word to anyone, not putting his hands on anyone except Greg's shoulder. He walked into the Capitol 10 feet, was there less than 2 minutes, and was immediately remanded today to sentenced to 90 days in jail for filming and stepping foot in the Capitol for less than 2 minutes. Those are his only charges. Trespassing. Basically, the judge said, well, you know, young man, if I don't give you 90 days in jail, what does that look like to anybody else? So I don't have a choice. You're going to jail. 90 days. So his lawyer spoke up and said, well, you know, Judge, is there a chance that Mathew can be put in the same pod with his brother and his uncle? No. That young man has to serve his 90 days elsewhere in this jail. And folks, we know what that's all about. It's retaliation. One good thing happened in Mathew's case today, and that was the fact that the judge did allow Gregory and Bob to stay for Mathew's trial. So that, thank you, Judge, I appreciate that. But to take that young man with 2 misdemeanors in handcuffs in front of his family for 90 days in jail for simply filming. It was a hard day in court, and not one J6er got justice today. Please keep all of these people in your prayers. You know, Mathew was able to bring Gregory's girlfriend and his younger brother with him to court today. And as they took Mathew in handcuffs to jail, those 2 individuals were left without a way home. But you know what? The J6 Patriots stepped up.
Of course they did.
They made sure that family got home, or got as far as they possibly could till a family member could help them out. She's one of our New Jersey Patriots that comes with Mary Therese and Kevin. Jenny is her name, I believe?
Yep.
Thank you, darling.
Yep.
Thank you for
Jenny.
helping that family out. But you know, that's what we do here. That's what we do as the J6 family. And you know, something the judge kept referring today, even in Guy's case. Well, you seem so proud to be part of this J6 family. Well, yeah, you're damn right we are.
That's right.
Because we're Americans helping out Americans that are being wrongfully accused by this tyrannical government.
That's right, Sherri.
We can't do this without all of you patriots. All of us make a difference. All of us are family. And don't you let anyone deter you from that. And you be damn proud of it.
Thanks, Sherri.
That's right.
Thank you, Sherri.
All the way, Sherri.
That's what I'm talking about.
Music. No, I'm